Hello from Her Haven. Today I want to share with you one way I consume my purple yams or sweet potatoes from my garden. First you wash it thoroughly and then you steam them and then you take it out and smush them and add in 1 bag of sweet rice or sticky rice flour. Add in 1 can of coconut, about 14 ounces. 1/4 cup of sugars because the sweet potato is already sweet, and 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Mix everything well until you can roll with your hand, then roll into a patty or like a burrito and then wrap it in foil. Nó giờ cũng ôn gió cả lá nó cho cả lá nó cho cả lá purple cứ rong go. E como mong blow lu to chỉ ô tới cho gió là cứ gió blow lên nó. Once you wrap it in foil, you steam it first, and then you could just freeze it away that way. You could thaw it later, and then use the sandwich grill press to heat it up. And here it is. Thank you for watching.